Let me show you how to create circle mask effect in Photoshop. Create new document. From File select Place Embedded to add image. Place image accordingly. Select Ellipse tool. Make circle. Follow Properties settings. Hide image layer. Rasterize circle layer. Now start making pattern of shape by making copies. Press Alt to make copy. Select all ellipse shape. Make group. Unhide image layer. Create clipping mask. Select shape layer. From layer style add inner shadow. Follow settings. From adjustment layer add solid color. Follow settings. And boom, we are done. If you guys like my content, subscribe to my channel.